Hey all, it's Dan with Sleep Ride. I am here at the Sleep Ride shop, aka my garage. And last video we did, we were cutting out the platform. So today I wanted to do a video where you actually get to see the process of me assembling the platforms and making them ready for shipping. Okay, so we're here in the Sleep Ride shop, and the first thing that we're gonna have to do with these is we're gonna round over the edges. We want to sort of blunt the outside of that a little bit more so it's not a sharp edge. So I got my router set here in my table, and I'm gonna go through all these platforms and headrests and round over every single edge. So this may take a bit, but I hope you enjoy watching the process. Okay, so all the platforms are done, and we're gonna move on to the headrest. That's gonna take a little bit longer because we have so many of them, but this is gonna be really fun too. So I wanted to give a quick shout out to Matt, who was the first purchaser of the Sleep Ride platform. He purchased the double side platform, so as sort of a little thank you and letting you know that you're very special to me for being the first person that supported the platform business, I wanted to give a little insight so that you could see your platform being built by me in my garage. So one other thing I wanted to mention is that I have already assembled the headrest brackets. Those again are a patent pending piece, so I am working on a full patent for that. So I don't want to give too much information onto how those things are built or how they're functioned or set up. So I won't be putting that piece in, but you will get to see me doing some sanding and surfacing and then treating the wood. So with that said, we're going to step inside of the garage and we're going to start with the first process, which is putting the polyurethane on there to protect the wood so that when you take it on your adventures, you can set stuff on it and you hopefully aren't going to have to worry about big scratches unless it's metal stuff, but sealant won't protect that anyways. So that said, let's get in here and we're going to start putting this thing together for you, Matt. Okay, so it's the next morning. We're back in the garage. Everything is fully dried, so the polyurethane's dried on the platforms and on the headrests. So the headrests are actually able to just bag up and they're ready for shipment, ready for you, Matt. And I got to do a little bit of hardware installation on the platform, so I'm going to let you watch that as well. But other than that, just got to glue a couple things in, place a couple things, and then bag it up, box it up, and ship it out to you, Matt. So let's go ahead and watch this. Okay, Matt, your sleep ride platform is fully assembled, and it's time to package this thing up and take it to the mailbox and get it to you so you can start your adventures. We're gonna package this thing up and get it shipped off. So here we go.